Hi, Misty. Hi, Misty. Why are you hiding from me? You afraid of the camera? Let's see. Where's Nina? Hi, Nina. Hi, Nina. What you doing? Come here, Misty. Want cookie? Misty, want cookie? Come here, Misty. Come get a cookie. You want cookie? Nina, want to go on the boat? Let's go on the boat. You want to go on the boat? You want apple? You want apples? You want blueberries? Misty, you want blueberries? Misty, you want blueberries? Here. Here. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Here. Come here. Here. You want blueberries? Why you don't want? Why you hide? Why you hiding? Come here, Misty. Here. You want to go on the boat? You want to go outside? Misty, you want to go outside? Misty, you want to go outside? Look at Mommy. Misty, you want to go outside? Misty wants to go outside. Here, Misty. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Stop. Sit. Misty, sit. Good girl. Look how pretty. Can you have Paul? Can you have Paul? Misty, here. Look at Mommy. Do you want Paul? Misty want to go outside? Misty goes outside. Yeah, Misty can go outside with Mama. No? What about you, Nina? What about you? You like to go outside, Nina? Nina likes to go on the boat? Nina likes to go on the boat. Right, Nina? You like to go on the boat? See Mama? On the boat? Misty go to the boat? Misty go to the boat? Misty go to the boat. Right, Misty? Sit. Misty, sit. Oh, Misty, pretty girl? Misty's a pretty girl? She goes to the boat.